Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 brand new Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 all-wheel drive conversion van. It's a dually. Clean CarFax obviously. And this is running smooth. And I'm going to go ahead and close this up and turn this off as we're in an enclosed space. Okay. As you see, it has an absolutely enormous roof rack. And there's your access ladder right there. There are your fully functioning hookups. There's your tow package. You see, this is a little bit longer of a conversion van, so it has much greater space. There's a fully functioning toilet, also microwave, sink area, refrigerator. There's your cable right there. And this opens up into the main area. And as I mentioned, you can see now that it is a dually. And there's the LED lighting. This is for the awning that extends. These are the upgraded painted alloy wheels. These are the quilted leather seats. You have 6 captain's chairs with heat and massage. And these also spin around to face each other. And these ones here have recline mode, so they can put their feet up. Each has an LCD screen that they can operate independently. And you see there in back, that is an LCD screen that can be a reflection of a TV monitor or a laptop or anything to that effect. You see that we have the table set up. That table also removes and stows away. Your speakers, lighting system, and all of these reclining chairs have these tables that can stow away as well, which are super handy. There are your other controls, cup holders, sound system. This does have an exterior sound system as well. As we come over here, we're going to go ahead and fold this tabletop in. You see, it's quite simple. And then I will upload some still photos of these as well. But this also has Apple TV. And then your internet, your Wi-Fi, your settings, so you can do network diagnostics. Here's your lighting. And also, it does have an upgraded lithium-ion battery. And here's your temperature set points and such. And then your modes for cool, heat, retractable window shades. And there's your main entertainment system right there. Okay, and we'll go ahead and come up here. And you'll get to witness a cold start. Okay, so we're now up and going. You see that it has 44 miles on this vehicle. And then you've got paddle shifters also. Let me see if I can get a shot of that. There's your paddle shifters. And then you're going to have your push to talk and your stereo controls, which we'll go ahead and demonstrate that now. That sounds great. And then over here you're going to have your cruise controls, and then your lighting down here on the left, and then you're going to have your door controls, which I will show you those controls in still photographs that I will post. And your controls are very similar to those captain's chairs in the back with heat and massage. Then you've got your power, and then you can turn your refrigerator on and off. We'll go ahead and leave that off. And then your chassis, drive modes, and then your key fobs. Let's see. There's your key fob right there. Your cup holders. And then there's your power sliding door. Your climate controls as well, which you can see that we just have them off right now. And then you can come up here. And I absolutely love this Infotainment Center. So here are your vehicle settings for parking sensors and such. And then you can bounce over to apps for your internet browser, smartphone connections, vehicle information, so you can track your consumption, and your engine owner's manual is right there as well, so you don't ever have to look for it in the glove compartment. And this is for your Bluetooth and USB connections, radio, and that sounds good. So you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and your navigation. This navigation is excellent. I actually drove this over here, and super convenient, and it does automatically post gas stations for you, so you can see what is most convenient. And then you have your phone device as well, and that is the last feature there. And you're going to see the cameras. The cameras are excellent. So you do have this backup camera, and then you have sensors on both the front and the back. Okay, and as we come up here, you've got your rear view mirror, and then your glasses holder. Of course, you have map reading lights, and then those are padded as well, so you don't hit your head, which I have done and showing these various IVs, so that's greatly appreciated. Okay. And that about wraps it up for this Mercedes. As I mentioned, this vehicle is brand new, and I will also put in the notes all the information that I have on it as well. This vehicle does have a clean CarFax. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.